Hello and welcome to the Great Wall, my friends. Look at this is your wall you got building here. And hey, you got a bunch of dangerous creatures that are attacking your school. Hey, this is a watch me video. So all you have to do is sit back, relax, and watch how this problem is solved, and then copy it on into your notebook or simply a piece of paper. Without further ado, let us move on to our scenario. You've got poisonous penguins, babbling baboons, and terrible tigers that are attacking your school. But that is not the worst of it, my friend. There are more creatures coming. You have just been told that there are 39 different creatures that are going to be attacking your school. Now, lucky for you, your school architects have designed a wall that grows at the same rate as the creatures that are attacking your school. Now, your job as school mathematician is to discover how many bricks are needed to build each section of your wall. And the very first thing you must do is build the fourth section. Now I've got my first section right here. I've got one block with a little triangle above it, and then 1, 2, 3, 4. And your second section has one block with a little triangle above it, and then two rows of 4, right? And then your third section has one block with a triangle above it and 3 rows of 4, right? You got 4 towers there, right? And so now I must build my next section, the fourth section. And what I'm going to do is kind of move this over a little bit. And also I want to point out here that each square or triangle counts as one block. We'll be using that a little bit later. But the first thing I'm going to do is go ahead and create the fourth section. So the first thing I'm going to do is draw a block here. So this will be the first block, and I am going to put the triangle right there. And now, since this is growing 1 row, then 2 rows, then 3 rows, so I'm going to have 4 rows here. So when I make my rows, I actually just like to do this. I make it just a little higher, and I go across this way and straight down. I make a straight box, and then I bring this across for 1 row, then 2 rows, and then 3 and 4 rows. So now I have 1, 2, 3, 4 rows, and I can cut that into 1, 2, 3, 4 parts this way. So that means if I want 4 parts, it'll be 3 lines going down. So I'm just going to go 1, 2, and 3. And yeah, there we have it. That is all you have to do for part A. And as you see, you should have copied this, or actually once you pause this video, copy this first section, copy the second section, which starts with this triangle and square, and goes through here, and label it section 2, and then copy this third section, label it section 3, and now I'm going to just write section 4 here. So section and 4. Bam! Hey, that is all you have to do for this first part here. So copy that down, and I will see you soon.